know how the diaspora play a very significant role, especially when armed youth are mobilizing. And so for the last, at the beginning of this year now, we've begun to reach out to the diaspora. In particular, we started off with Australia. And we have several meetings with them, and they have decided that they wanted to support the process that we are doing. And Golo, who just spoke, came specifically as a representative of diaspora, and he visited Pibor, and he also had meeting with some of the youth from Jonglei. And as he went back, he conducted several meetings as well. So some of you may be wondering why this connection with the diaspora. We all know, especially if you are a South Sudanese, we know what role the diaspora play back in South Sudan. So I just wanted to outline that very quickly. They are thinking of how they can support some of the livelihood activities that we are doing. Once they agree, that would be a big plus for us as well. So I just wanted to outline that. Thank you.
Thank you, David. So we are getting back to business. As I said earlier on, in Pibor, we agreed two things. We said we would collect children and women and return them to their communities. And we said one county was going to return 6 abductees. And that we were going to open roads. But the opening of the roads did not happen. We will discuss in the groups. The collection of abductees, we have achieved some progress. According to Save the Children, they shared with us data showing that 20 abductees have been returned between January and March 2025. So we will discuss more in the groups. How did 20 come? Were they running to the authorities? Or the authorities collected these 20? It's good that we have the two ministers, the Minister of Gender, Child and Social Welfare in Jonglei and GPAA, they are here. They will be able to verify those that have been returned abductees. So before we go into groups, we shall have 3 speakers from each community. Their names have been provided before, and each community will speak on 3 questions. For example, if the Murle is going to be given a chance to speak, he will speak or she will speak on 3 things. One, what progress has been made? Point 2, where he or she feels there is more progress to be made. Point 3, what question is that community having either to Murle or Dinka board? And those are the 3 questions that the other communities will also speak the same. So we are beginning with the Murle community, and they have chosen the former commissioner, who is Honorable John Gogol, currently the chairperson of GPAA task force. So he's coming to talk on these 3 points. One thing, progress had been made. As a community, they think progress had been made. And one thing, they think as a community, more progress is needed. And any question to any of the 2 communities. So Honorable John Gola, welcome.
شكرا. أنا اسمي جون جوجل، كوميشنر سابق لكوانغولي. أنا برضو عينوني مفوضية للسلام الجاري. أول بأول أنا بشكر ربنا عشان جل معنا إني بشكر اتنين ولا جونغولي بيبور ربنا يساعده. نمرة اتنين أنا برجع شكر للمنظمات وبيس كانال بوب. أنا بقول لهم شكرا، وأنا ما بشكركم ربنا بديكم أكتر عشان انتوا ساعدتونا في المشاكل الكثير عندنا. مشاكل في جونغولي وجيبي مشاكل كثير. انتوا ما وقفتوا كان بلد ده ولا ما نقطة قرى. دل الشكر نرجع لكم. كويس أنا بيجي برجع للثلاث حاجات. اوكي اوكي. kakuka baadaye kaloke agone kala ni chigi nagadok kala ni chigi dok kalja